These apple crumble muffins are the perfect combination of soft, moist muffins infused with juicy apple pieces and topped with a crunchy, buttery crumble. Begin by peeling, coring, and chopping your apples into small pieces. Once chopped, transfer them to a bowl and toss them with a tablespoon of flour. This little trick will help keep the apples from sinking to the bottom of the muffins. In another bowl, carefully add the flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt, then give it a good whisk until everything is well combined. Now, in a separate large bowl, crack the eggs, add the sugar, and pour in the vanilla extract. For the best results, make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Start mixing slowly at first, then increase speed until the mixture becomes creamy and fluffy. Gradually, begin to incorporate the oil, pouring it in a slow, steady stream while you continue to mix. Next, slowly alternate adding the dry ingredients and buttermilk into the wet mixture a little at a time. Be careful not to overmix as we want to keep the batter light and airy. Once everything is just combined, go ahead and add the apple pieces. Using a spatula, gently fold them into the batter. Take your time to ensure the apple pieces are evenly distributed throughout so every bite is packed with juicy apples. Next up, line a muffin pan with paper liners. Carefully divide the batter evenly into the muffin cups, filling them just below the top. In the meantime, don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius so it's ready when you are. Now let's move on to the crumb topping. In a bowl, combine the sugar, cinnamon, and flour and give it a good whisk to make sure everything is evenly mixed. Next, add the melted or softened butter and stir well until the mixture forms a nice crumbly texture. Generously sprinkle this crumb topping over each muffin, ensuring they're all well covered for that perfect crunchy finish on every bite. Don't be shy with the topping, it's what makes these muffins extra special. Bake for about 25 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once done, let them cool slightly, just enough so they're warm but not too hot. Then it's time to enjoy these delicious apple crumble muffins. Give them a try, I'm sure you'll fall in love with them just like we did. Don't forget to check the full recipe in the description below for all the details.